And if not, others will take our place and continue this. Are you ready to follow me?
My people, I have spoken! Bruh, are we about to finish this game right now? Are we about to finish this? How long? Wait, hold up. Oh, snap. Connor's about to do a mission. Connor's about to try and get those... No, he's not. Because we're doing a demonstration. Connor was gonna go get more soldiers. Hold up. Hold up. I don't know how much is left. I really want to keep playing. I really do. I feel like it's like Battle for Detroit. It's another 3-character mission. That means it's gonna be long, guys. I think tomorrow will be the last.
Hold on, just a little while longer. Hold on, just a little while longer. Hold on.
She's deviant now.
Just a little while longer.
Scarlet is no longer.
Everything will be alright. Everything will be alright.
Sound like some dang slaves, man. That's exactly the narrative that they're bringing to life. These are slaves, man. These are black slaves back in the day, 1700s, trying to escape north, trying to escape the slave masters. This game, bro. She's for real sounding like a black slave for that. Tomorrow will be the final episode of Detroit. It all goes down tomorrow. All of our pacifism, all of our restraint to spill blood, all of our peacemaking has finally repaid us. The public supports us, okay? If the public didn't like us, if we were killing people this whole time, a peaceful demonstration would have gotten us killed. If y'all are ready for the final episode of Detroit tomorrow, no matter how long it is, we playing until we see credits. Slice that like button if y'all are ready. It all goes down tomorrow. I'll see you there. So, what's going on, Corey Kitchen here? Welcome. Yes, my brethren. Clap on that like button. To the finale of Detroit Become Human. It has been a long, perilous journey. Marcus, Kara, and Connor. The experiences that they have gone through. The character development. Look at Marcus from when we started the game to where we are now. Lowly android peasant, king of the androids. Connor, renouncing his slavery as a freaking android and becoming deviant. And Kara becoming the mother of all androids. Or just Alice. This is the end. I want to thank you guys so much for your support on this series. It's definitely the best performing series we've ever done on this channel. So without further ado,